Hey, pull the piece up. Legally, you do.
Do not shut this door.
I'm gonna detain you until I come here.
Nope, that's it. No.
A woman calls 911 after she sees a man who looks to be extremely intoxicated driving a car on the freeway. Out of nowhere, he drives completely off the freeway and crashes near a highway exit into a grassy ditch. As officers pull up to the car, they notice the man passed out in the backseat wearing only shorts. They try to wake him up, but quickly realize something's off.
He is laying like this in the back seat.
He's in the back seat.
Yes, sir.
His feet's on this end. His head's on y'all side. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to find before I open his door. Oh, he's still sweating. I'm looking at his hand, but I can't see if there's anything in it or not.
Hey, buddy. Sheriff's office. You all right, man? Come on out here and talk to us real quick.
Right here, unlock the door and come out. Pull this up. Pull this up. Pull this piece up. Pull it up. Hey, pull the piece up. Pull that little piece up. No, this piece right here on the door.
Unlock button.
Pull it up. All right, open the door. Open the door. Step out here, bud. Come out. Step out here to me. Come on, you good? You safe? Come on. Yeah. Hey, step out here and talk to him, babe.
Completely out of his mind, the man asks officers to help piece together what happened to him.
Huh?
What happened?
Well, what it looks like, you've run in the ditch up here on the interstate, Bubba.
Oh, I must have dozed off.
Well, you've been here for a minute. Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Okay, step out here and talk to me. Come here, step out the car.
Come on, get in the car, man. How long have I been?
Sir?
How long have I been?
Hey, what's your name?
How long have I been here?
I don't know. About 30 minutes, best we can tell. What's your name? Okay, but what's your name? Hey, what's your name? What's your first name? Just tell me your first name. What's your first name?
With all due respect, sir, I believe you know the answer to that.
I really don't know the answer. That's why I'm asking that, bud. I don't know your first name. I've never met you before. What's your first name?
I just heard y'all.
I didn't hear it, bud. I'm asking you. Won't you step out here and talk to me?
I'm talking to you.
Step out.
Legally, I don't have to.
Legally, you do.
Do not shut this door.
Let me get some gloves on. He's fixing to come out that car. You're on the ditch bank.
On the side of the interstate. What is your first name?
I don't want to be tased or shot.
All right.
Answer.
What is your first name? Sir?
What's your first name?
You're not going to hurt me, are you?
No.
What's your first
we
name?
don't want to at all. What's your name?
What's your first name?
Hurt me.
No, man. We don't want to hurt you.
I don't want to hurt you. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to help you.
We're here to help, bud.
What's your first name? Pull your pants up, man. Pull your pants up.
Y'all made me step out of the car.
I know, but I'm just asking you, pull your pants up. I'm trying to give you the dignity.
It's kind of
Thank you, sir.
embarrassing.
Hey, man. What is your name? You give me the name or you going to jail?
For failure to identify.
Okay. So what's your first name?
What's your first name? All right, come here. I'm going to detain you until I... Come here.
Nope, that's it. No, that's it. Come on.
Turn around.
What did I do wrong?
You're going to be detained until we can figure out who you are.
Oh, my God. Okay. Roll over. Roll over. Give him your arms. Sir. Relax. Give him your arms.
Relax.
When you struggle, the worse it gets. Relax. Listen. Easy, bud. He asked me who I was.
We were trying.
I told him my social security number.
I don't want that. I want your name.
What are you on, man?
Are you on something?
I'm on the ground.
No, I know that.
No. Drug-wise, Bubba.
Have you ingested anything?
Have you ingested anything?
Oh, you hurt me.
Easy, buddy.
Stop.
Please, let me stand up. I'm not.
Well, if you calm down, we will.
He will.
Sir, I am calm. I have not done anything.
Well, tell me your first name. What's your first name?
I told you my social, and you'll slam me to the ground.
Well, because I've asked you 27 times of how many times you. What's your first name? And you don't tell me.
If I stand you up, are you going to fight with me?
Because we don't want to fight you, man. We don't want to hurt you. I'm here to help you. Okay? Stand up. Stand up. Right now, you're just being detained. I'm not. Here, let's put him in my car.
I don't understand.
You're just being detained right now until we figure out who you are.
I told you.
Is it him? Yeah. Okay. All right. Right now you're being detained. I got Rescue come to check you out. All right.
It's getting ready to turn into something if you don't go back.
You don't chill out, bro. It's going to turn into something. You don't have to chill out for a second.
His heart rate's like pretty high.
Shot up.
Chill out for a second. 2 seconds. Let it just squeeze your arm and take a blood pressure, man. Well, yeah, if you stop moving.
Guess he stays in his car.
Blood pressure's great.
Oh, it's good? All right, cool. Perfect.
23-year-old Aaron is charged with resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is when you're opposing or interfering with an officer who is lawfully performing duties. This can take place by refusing lawful commands, pulling away, trying to get back into your car when told to exit, tensing up, and generally refusing to comply during detention or arrest, without the use of physical force. This is a first-degree misdemeanor with maximum penalties of up to 1 year in county jail, up to 12 months of probation, and up to a $1,000 fine. Most cases, however, result in probation or fines, but sentencing can depend on the level of cooperation, statements, and prior history. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm going to detain you until I... Come here.
Nope, that's it. No, that's it. Come on.
Turn around.
What did I do wrong?
You're being detained until we can figure out who you are.
Oh my God. Okay. Whoa.
Roll over.
Roll over. Give him your arms.
Sir.
Relax. Give him your arms. Oh, you struggle, the worse it gets. Relax.
No, listen.
Easy, bud.
You asked me who I was.
We were trying.
I gave you my social security number.
I don't want that. I want your name.